In this video, we will show you how to change the ignition coils on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Remove the engine cover. Disconnect the airflow meter connector. To do this, lift the tab and pull on the connector. You can use a hook. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clips for the air intake duct on the airbox. Then remove the duct. Protect the air intake system by plugging it with a glove to prevent impurities from polluting the system. You can now see where the ignition coils are located. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. You can also use a hook. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the bolt holding the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. You can order the ignition coils used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new coil. Put the coil back. Screw it in until it makes contact using the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Reconnect the ignition coil. You can now repeat the process on the other ignition coils. Take off the glove. Replace the air duct. Then screw the hose clamps back on. Reconnect the airflow meter connector. Put the engine cover back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.